If you are participating in the Tonxdao, you would have seen a message like this every time you try to log in into the app for some time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can register a DAO. So make sure that you sit back and follow this video from the beginning to the end without forwarding it, so that you understand how it is done and the everything that you need to know. Don't rush into it so that you won't make any mistake. But before we go into that, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, let's first of all quickly go into their official Telegram channel. So if I take you to their official Telegram channel, you are going to see this post right here which says register your DAO. Dear community, we have amazing news. We are entering the final stretch, and Tonxdao is beginning its transformation into a full-fledged DAO product that allows you to register your own DAO and give it official status in just a few minutes. Why is this exciting, and what does it mean for our project and the community? So we aim to reach incredible numbers of registered DAO through our app. We are the first in the world to achieve this at such a scale, which will take our project to the next level and gain support from key market players. This in turn will accelerate the TGE timeline and make the listing of DAO on Taiwan exchanges more likely and successful. We know you are looking forward to this the most. So guys, that is what they have said. Now you might be asking yourself, what is the meaning of DAO? It is an abbreviation which simply means digital autonomous organization. So that is the full meaning of this. So they want you to register, and it is a criteria for you to receive the airdrop. If you don't register it, you are simply not going to be qualified for the airdrop. So make sure that you follow me as I show you. So all you have to do is, let's head back to our Tonxdao app like this. So on the Tonxdao app, all you have to do is come down to register a DAO right here. So if you click on it, you'll see all participants must connect their wallet right here. So now what do you have to do? Just head back. So just head back like this. So come to this wallet section right here, click on that, and then you see that I've connected my wallet actually, but is showing red. So I will click on connect. So I want to reconnect again. So I will choose my Tonekeeper. So it's going to load me into my Tonekeeper, and then I will just click on connect wallet. And after this, I will just input my password, and then once you input your password like this, it is going to load up. You just have to wait and relax for it. Once you have connected it, you are going to see it's not showing green, and this disconnect is not showing red. So this is a sign of danger, and this is a sign of peace. So my wallet is safe, and then if I click on this danger, I'm going to disconnect instead. So I am good to go. So I'll go back to DAO, and then on the DAO section, you can see I'll just come to register a DAO now. So once I click on it, you see that it worked now. So all you have to do is come down to this place right here. You can take time, read everything. I might not have time to read it, so that this video will not be too long. So I'll tick mark this particular I agree, and then click on continue. So once I click on continue, the next thing will bring me to here. You have to give your DAO a name. So what is the name? I will just go ahead, write the token trackers. So trackers. So that's the name I have given the token trackers. So it's already there. So what do I have to do? You can give a DAO description. You can give, it's optional, so it's your choice. So I'm not going to do it. I'll just click on continue, and then once I click on continue, it will now come right here, and then they will now ask you fill in the form, select the goal of creating DAO. So what is your goal? So you just need to choose one of these. So I'm going to choose financial right here, and then you're going to see you will not be able to change this DAO goal after creating. So I won't be able to change it. You see, financial research DAO, conducting analysis and developing solutions for effective management of digital financial assets. So that is what I have chosen. So I'll just go ahead, click on OK, and then once I click on OK, you see it will bring me right here, and then you can see Governor D selecting. So I will just go ahead, select this. So this is the name of my Telegram account. So I will just click on continue, and then once I click on continue, I will just scroll down. You can take your time, read through this. You can take your time to read through this. So once you come right here, the next thing is bring to a vote. That is what I'm going to click. So you can take your time to read this. You can see we hereby proclaim the creation of our digital autonomous organization, which is the DAO. I gave you this the meaning, the full meaning already, and then this is the name, the token trackers. Then that is the name of my DAO, and then this is my goal, and then representative for external communications. This is the representative, which is my external communication, which is my Telegram name. So I'll click on bring to a vote. So once you click on bring to a vote, it will bring you to this page, and then you're going to scroll down. You can take your time, read through it. The reason I'm not reading through is because of time. And then you see before voting ends, so this is it, voting will end in 24 hours, as you can see right here. So I will just scroll down, then come down and say yes, I agree. That is under vote here. I'll just click on that. Yes, I agree. And then I will come down to this part right here, press and hold on it and swipe it to my right hand side, and then leave it. So once I leave it, you see that it has brought me to this page and it's asking me to sign in. I'm going to sign in using my Tone wallet. So I will just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, it will load you to this page, and then you just have to come over here, click on it. Then once you click on it, it is going to load and take you to your Tone keeper. Let me just So it's going to take you to your Tone keeper like this. All you have to do is select your Tone, the wallet you first connected. So I've chosen my Tone keeper, and then I'll click on connect, and then I'm going to insert my password, which is my fingerprint right here. So once I've done that, confirm it. It's going to load like this and bring you back to the page where you actually were working on. So you can now see charter of the token trackers. Okay, this is the name of my DAO now. You can see it, a DAO sell. So you can now read. You can read this information. Take your time to read through it, and then once you read through it, reach here, you are going to see Telegram name, and then ID. This is Telegram ID, and then this is the connected wallet, and then they say I should this is the sign date, and then just come down to jump to the first field. Click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to insert the name of your DAO right here. It's not your Telegram name. The name of your DAO. My DAO name is the token trackers. So that is the DAO name. So this is my DAO name. So I'll just click on insert signature. So let's insert the signature, and then once you have done it like this, you just come to complete contract, like right here. So click on that, and then you are going to click on connect wallet again, and then you are going to confirm your password. So once you confirm your password, it's going to log you in and then take you back to the page, and then you can see success. So I have signed successfully. So what do you have to do from here? So all you have to do is come back to this point, cancel it, and then when you head back to your Tonxdao app, this is my Tonxdao app right now, and you can see I have completed the process and my DAO has changed. It was not like this before. If you checked at it when I just started, if you click here, it will show you to register. So I've registered, and that's why it is now showing like this. So this is the name of my DAO, this is my goal, and this is my certificate, the resolution, the charter, everything is right here. You can take your time. If you just click on it, you can read it, you can see it. So I can get the certificate, PDF certificate. So every single thing is right here. So guys, that is how you can do it, and it's as simple as that. And if you come over to the profile section, you see everything has been changed. So I have signed every single thing, and if you do it, this is how your own is going to be like. So once you have completed the registration, you are going to come over to this section right here. You see register a DAO. I just collected 1 million points for completing that task. So once you do it, you will come and collect. Make sure that you come back to the task session to collect that, and then also make sure you are coming back to this vibe subscribe section right here to play your game. Just press and hold, and it is going to roll, and then you are going to earn your points. So guys, it's as simple as that, and that is what I wanted to show you in this particular video. So please, if you are not done yours, go and do it. And if you have not yet started this project, it is one of the, for now, it is one of the projects that seems to be looking good. Well, let's hope that it is going to do well on Telegram. So if you have not yet started, I'm going to leave the link in the description and also in the comment section. You can start, and then also make sure you register your DAO. So guys, that will be all for now. That is what I wanted to show you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.